Okay, the abstract class A protected void unfinished. Um, if you look at here, this method called unfinished, okay, it doesn't have an implementation. Okay, it means usually we have here, then that's okay. You can have abstract class can have normal methods, okay, non-abstract methods. Or if we want to have no implementation here for this method called unfinished, then it's supposed to be declared as an abstract method. Okay, you can have a protected, okay, abstract void unfinished. That's okay. So if you don't want to have any implementation for your methods, then you have to declare abstract, and the abstract method, you can have that only in abstract class. Again, normally we declare as a public, okay? That's it. Thank you.